अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। यहाँ हम पास पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। आज के वीडियो में हम क्लास 9 पास पेपर डिस्कस कर रहे हैं जो सेशन 2025 में हुआ था। अगर मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। सेक्शन बी, मार्क 33, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, अटेम्प्ट द फॉलोइंग पार्ट 1, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन स्केलर एंड वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज, give two example of each, or compare center of mass and center of gravity. Part 2, if a satellite orbit earth at an average radius of 24,000 km and take 12 hours to complete one orbit, what will be its average orbital speed? Or a train travel a distance of 30 km in 7 minutes and 30 seconds, what is its speeds? Convert the speed to kilometer to hour. Part 3, what kind of motion does butterfly have? Briefly describe this kind, or compare magnetic and non-magnetic material. Part 4, a car has kinetic energy Ke if its velocity is doubled, by what factor its kinetic energy would change? Determine with the help of equation. Or an object weight 200 Newton on earth while 50 Newton on an unknown planet. Find the gravitational field strength on that planet. Part 5, difference between contact and non-contact forces. Or and enlist any three applications of Hooke's law. Part 6, shows 200 nanogram in microgram. Or how pressure of liquid varies with depth. Drive a mathematical formula for it. Part 7, briefly explain system of gun and bullet using law of conservation of momentum. Or how are hydraulic lift capable for lifting heavy load. Show mathematically. Diagram is not required. Part 8, a solid cylinder of height 1.25 meter and diameter of 2 meter has a mass 350 kg. Calculate its density. Or briefly describe the working of thermocouple thermometer. Part 10, compare permanent magnet and electromagnet. Or can direction of velocity and acceleration be opposite direction? Explain briefly. Part 11, Earth complete one revolution around the Sun in 365.25 days. Find the orbital speed of Earth around the Sun if it is 150 million km away from the Sun. Or it is possible to accelerate an object without speeding up and slowing it down. Justify. Section C, mark 20. Note, attempt the following questions. Question number 3, what is manometer? Make it diagram. Enlist its 4 application. Or what is meant by base physical quantities and drive physical quantities? Give 3 example of each with the symbol and their SI unit. Question number 4, explain the limitations of Newton's laws of motion. Or briefly discuss any 10 field of physics. Question number 5, discuss Earth magnetic field in contact of A, north and south pole with diagram. B, biomagnetism. Or a hydraulic lift has 0.03 meter square narrow cylinder area while 0.9 meter square wider cylinder area. How much force must be applied at a narrow cylinder if a car weighing 160 kg is to be lifted? Question number 6, what is centripetal force? Give its formula. How this force is provided in case of moon? Explain with diagram. Or explain any 2 states of matter giving complete information about their particle structure with diagram. Thank you for watching.